Hey there, it's Odessa Kyleman with eXp Realty here with a luxury Moon Valley home tour. And the house I'm about to show you is on the golf course in the center of Moon Valley on the 16th fairway. It has the most gorgeous wood floors throughout the house and a really unique shape of the floor plan. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So one of the gorgeous things about this house is the landscaping. It has mature trees all out front, this gorgeous driveway with a side entry for the garages, and just the grass is in perfect condition. It's green, it's beautiful, and I love also the block on the exterior of the house. What's really nice about natural block is you don't have to paint it, so that is one less maintenance item. So you've got your 3-car garage back here, and as you walk through the entrance of this house, you've got a nice covered entrance area, a little brick courtyard over to the left. And then as we go inside, what's unique about this house is a lot of houses, when you first walk in, the entry is huge, and then it kind of gave it all up at once. But this house, when you walk in, it's like, oh, you have a decision. Are you gonna go left or are you gonna go right? So let's start off going to the left, because that's where the bedrooms and the easier access to the kitchen is. So not only do you have separate and distinct living room and family room areas that are both really great sizes, you also have everything looking out over the pool and onto the Moon Valley golf course. So the kitchen here actually has a ton of storage, and this is a really good sized kitchen. You can have probably 3 or 4 people in here at the same time cooking and absolutely not have any lack of space. And then also you have a beautiful wet bar just outside the kitchen. So I would put the dining room there, and then you have this nice little living room area right here that faces not only the front of the house, it also has a beautiful fireplace, and it faces the back of the house. So you have windows on both sides. That is one of the aspects of the floor plan. You typically don't have windows on opposite sides of the room. So this floor plan has 5 bedrooms. We've got one that we just passed here, then we've got a powder room in the hallway. All right, so 5 bedrooms, and we're not gonna look at them all because an empty bedroom's not really pretty to look at. But what we are gonna take a look at is our primary hall bathroom, which is right here. And then we come down into the master, or the primary suite. Now the primary suite has a big walk-in closet with his and her section, so it's actually divided into 2. We've got our bathroom over here, and then this gorgeous bedroom. This bedroom is large. It has vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, 2 ceiling fans, and also a view out to the back gazebo as well as the fairway. This bedroom also has a view of the pool. It has its own fireplace, and there's a little secret hidden thing in the cabinet right here. They actually have a refrigerator, which is really fun. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other bedroom, which also has an ensuite bathroom. Now, not all of the rooms have ensuite bathrooms, just a few of them. And you don't need it in all of them. To be realistic, you don't need a separate bathroom in the office or whatever. So anyway, so this next bedroom, which is located in the front of the house, has gorgeous plush gray carpet and its own ensuite bathroom that has a shower, pedestal sink, and also a nice bright white light. All right, so as we go back through the living room, I'm going to take you over to, actually I guess this would be the family room. I'll take you over. You have actually a cute little seating area over here on the side, which is windows and a little bench seat. You have an island, actually you have 2 islands in the kitchen. You have one in the middle and then one over at the edge. You also have a gorgeous 5-burner Wolf stove, Wolf double ovens, built-in microwave that's under the cabinet so you don't see it, etc. So as you come out of the kitchen on the other side, it brings you right into this dining room, which is also beautiful. We have gorgeous wood paneling on this side of the house. So the lower portion of the wall, it's not paneling the whole way. What they've actually done is just put the trim and the treatment on, but not necessarily all the paneling, so it's easy to change if that's something that you want. So this room, the family room, has a gorgeous bay window, and these are dual pane bay window that looks out onto the golf course, if you can see behind me. You also have your ceiling fans. There's 2 ceiling fans in this room, vaulted ceilings, a fireplace, and it also looks into the pool. So that's part of the uniqueness, one more time, that I'll say, of the floor plan. What's also cool is that you can get to the pool from the master bedroom, from the family room, from the living room. It has so much open access. Let's go ahead and step outside into this gorgeous backyard and take a look. And I will show you the uniqueness of this floor plan from there, because that's the best perspective. So coming outside, we have nice cool decking. We have a built-in barbecue and a pool that is the center of it all, which if you're in Arizona, let's get real. It's hot, and the pool is a key feature of any home in the Phoenix area. And so now what I'm going to do is give you a little pan behind me, and I'm going to show you the uniqueness of this floor plan. If you look at it, it is an actual U shape. So we have our master suite over here on this side. You've got your kitchen, your living room, and then you have the family room over here on the other side. So that is really, really cool. So this is a bit of a U-shaped floor plan is what I like to call it, because the footprint of the house actually does follow a U with the pool in the middle, which is really cool. And here in the backyard, not only do you have the pool, you have this gorgeous gazebo with its own lighting, ceiling fans, etc. So you can sit out here. I'm picturing a hammock. A hammock would be beautiful here. We've got mature citrus trees. We've got oranges. There's grapefruit, all these different things. I think I even saw some limes on the other side. And you have the gorgeous grass, big area to run around on the grass if you wanted to. And then also the golf course. It's right out your door, and they even have a gate. So if you like to play golf, right there. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and for a list of our preferred homes in the Moon Valley community, just click the link. Odessa Kyleman with eXp Realty. Have a great one.